How to open a RAR file without password. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can open a RAR file without password. So in order to open a RAR file without password, it is quite not possible, but what you can do is there is some alternative. For that, you need to open up a web browser and then you'll need to install a third-party application. For that, you need to go to this particular link, that is www.passfab.com/product. Don't worry about the link. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. After you've done that, this particular application needs to be bought, but only for a certain period you'll be given this chance to create a free trial. After that, you'll basically have to buy this particular application. Once you've done that, you'll need to install this application in your device and run this, and once you've done that, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompt on how you can actually open a RAR file without a password. So all the instructions will be guided on this page. All you have to do is just go through the instructions and follow the prompts. So that is how you can open a RAR file without password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.